Okay guys, Captain Chris here looking at the back of this boat. Can't find the rudder, can't find the propeller, can't find the strut. So now look at that big hole and that gasket, and look up inside here. You can see this is the connector for the pod drive. There's the other engine, and let me stick my head up in here and see what we've got. These are Volvos, Volvo Penta, so this is an IPS drive boat. So this is the engine room with the starboard engine there, the port engine here, the jack shaft to drive the pod, and the pod's not here because I'm sticking my head up in the hole. And there's actually three engines. You can see there's the center engine and the starboard engine over there. So engine 1, engine 2, engine 3. So we've got terrific access in the back of this boat that has 3 pods. Actually, they've been removed for service. Okay, the camera caught up with me. So there you go. This is what a pod drive boat looks like when the pods are removed for service. If you have questions about pod drives, straight drives, or V drives, or even jet drives, ask Captain Chris.